Today, I'm gonna show you a very simple strategy that literally works in almost every single market. And in fact, I'm actually taking trades right now live. As you guys can see here, I just entered this trade right here and we're in a little bit of drawdown. But if you stick around to the end of this video, you'll see me most likely come out of profit, take profits, and then also learn the strategy that I'm using myself to grow my trading accounts from a few $100s to a few $1,000s every single week. All right, so let's go ahead and jump directly into it. As you guys can see here, I have GJ, all right, British pound, Japanese yen, right now on the 5-minute chart, and I am using trusted signals, sniper, support and resistance, okay, with default settings, and I am also using the doji scalper. The doji scalper is amazing. It allows you to actually see dojis and also shows reversals. Currently, we are actually reaching a resistance level on this specific pair, and as you guys can see here, these blue lines represent support and the red lines represent sells, and this is the sniper support and resistance. As you can see here, if I turn it off, those go away, and if I turn off the dojis, then those go away, and then if I turn off this, then the other auto support and resistance goes away. So as you guys can see here, we had a resistance level. We actually still broke through and was able to get to the next level. It previously wicked this resistance level before shooting back down to support, and it did not actually reach all the way down to the sniper support and resistance. But right now we're getting dojis, sells around the resistance level. Now the reason why I'm actually taking this trade is because this is a very safe trade for 2 reasons, okay? Actually for more than that, for 3 reasons. So number 1, we have a doji sell, which as you guys can see here, that is just showing a reversal point. So when you get a doji, you notice that there is usually some reversal gonna happen, right? Now, this doji is also coming at a resistance level, red auto resistance level in trusted signals, and this doji is coming around the same time as a sniper resistance, right? So this is a very easy sniper entry right here, even though we're in drawdown a bit, right? I do believe that as you guys can see here, we're already coming down a little bit. So if you notice, one of my other confirmations is this enhanced MACD. Now this enhanced MACD, once it flips over from blue to red, we should see this tank, and if it does tank and actually show a reversal right here, as you can see here, even though we're blue on the actual trend, right, because we had this upward momentum, right now it's actually breaking underneath this specific zone right here. So I'm anticipating some sellers to step in and sell this down. Now, where are we taking our profits? Okay, where are we taking our profits and where are we placing our stop loss? Our stop loss is just above the secondary resistance point. So even though we're entering here, technically you can get another entrance, another sell right here. And if you're really playing it safe, then obviously you would want it to come up here for actually entering your sell. But the reason why I like this trade right here is because we had dojis, we had some resistance, we're flipping over on the MACD, and as well as if we're entering here, placing our stop loss above the secondary sniper resistance level means that even if we end up in drawdown a few $100s on this trade, we should see it respect this line at least and start tanking down to the downside. All right, now where are we taking our profits? We are taking our profits on this support line, this support line, this support line, and the final take profit would be the sniper support line, right? Because as you guys can see here, this is where price tested in the past and actually got down all the way down here. So if you really wanted to go ahead and hold this super short, all right, this is where you're taking this trade. And if you look at that, this is an amazing trade because this risk to reward is a basically almost a 4-to-1, right? 4-to-1. So that means you can take 4 of these trades and still, you know, be at break even essentially if you just win 1, right? So that's a great thing about this indicator. But like I said, where are we taking our profits? We're taking this on the auto support and resistance from trusted signal. While we're waiting, let me go ahead and show you how strong the doji indicator is. Let me go ahead and remove all of this from the clutter. All right, and let's actually just show some reversals that this indicator is giving out, right? Because as you guys can see here, the reversal indicator, if you check this out, this is literally easy scalping right here on the 5-minute chart. This is a scalping indicator. This is a great scalping indicator that anybody can use, because as you can see here, once this big move is up, boom, there's a reversal point and you can scalp the reversals. So even though the trend is bullish, right? The trend is bullish. As you can see, this is an uptrend. Remember, price moves up and down, up and down, up and down. When we're using the reversal point, all we want to do is just get in for some quick and easy pips. You do not want to hold these trades, especially going opposite of the trend. So as you guys can see here, boom, we have a reversal, move to the downward. Reversal, move to the down. And if we even go back to the past, boom, another reversal right here. So if you would have taken these last few reversals, you're literally immediately in profit, no drawdown. Obviously, you would move your stop loss above the previous high right here, boom. And as you can see here, reversal all the way down, right? And let's keep on looking. So right here, check this move out. This is a bullish reversal. So after a sell, boom, it's bullish and all the way up, right? Now this one was a bad trade. This was a loss, but this reversal right here was a win, right? So you're talking about winning 5 or 6 out of your last trades and only losing maybe one loser. This may be the only loser right here. And potentially if we zoom in here, let's see. I mean, even after a reversal, after this big move, right? I don't know if I would have necessarily taken this, but check this one out. Reversal, bullish, right? Reversal, bearish. So a lot of these moves right here after this huge sell. So even if you're getting in on this sell right here and you're getting at the top, you're selling down, you can take your profits on a reversal indicator, right? If you were just using this specific indicator as a buy and sell indicator, you're talking about literally easy profits, right? So even though this move right here, this one would have been instantly drawdown, eventually it does come out and you are you know, in profit. This one right here, reversal, this one is huge, a lot of profits, then a reversal point. So then you get to move to the upside, right? And I'm not saying that this is a long, you don't want to hold necessarily all of these specific trades, right? But if you're scalping the markets on the 5-minute chart, this is a very, very strong indicator, all right? Very, very strong. So let's turn the sniper back on. So boom, guess what, guys? We can literally get another entry right here. And as you see here, wick, and then it should be shooting down. So even though we're in drawdown right here, this is just giving me an extra added confirmation that I could be able to hold this trade, right? And if you look at my drawdown, it's really not even that bad, given we should see it reverse, right? It's about a $40, $50 drawdown, right? And guess what? We hit another rejection and now we're having problems breaking through there. So I do believe right now we shall see this tank, but I will be back in a few minutes to see the results from this specific trade. But yeah, we're definitely hitting take profit. Take profit one level would be around 161.401. So that's our first take profit level. Secondary, third, and then fourth would be one of these auto sniper supports right here. So this is a very easy strategy. If you guys do not get trusted signals, you're really foolish, because look how easy these indicators literally make these trades, all right? Number one, these indicators are going to help you with drawdown, less drawdown, right? Because you could have got it in right here, right? Off of this previous support level, right? Well, resistance level, and you would be in massive drawdown. Instead, we're using multiple tools together, right, in order to go ahead and get the benefit of the markets. Doji sell, other added confirmation, right? So even though the market seems like it's still moving up, this is still giving me the confidence to know that, hey, the market should be reversing at this point, and we should see some bearish momentum. And whether it's for only a few pips, meaning a few $100s or a few $1,000, that's on you, that's on your account size, making sure you're using proper risk management. But like I said, this is going to give you the confidence you need to hold your trades right? So instead of me right now being scared of a $50, $60, $100 drawdown, right, and just closing out with a negative, we've all been there. This is giving me the ability to just place my trade, put my stop loss, put my take profit, and just literally take a step back from the charts, you know, do whatever I want, right? I could go ahead right now, play some Madden, play some PUBG, you know what I'm saying? And then the charts are still gonna do what they're gonna do, right? But trading like this gives you the freedom, the sanity. These indicators are amazing, make my strategy a lot easier. So now all we have to do is wait. All right, so I'll be back in a sec. Yo, what up, people? All right, so I'm back, and check this out, right? I ended up taking the other entry. See, boom, as you guys can see there, right now we're running some profits, and I do believe that we shall see this tank down. And this is exactly why I say using this specific strategy is amazing. So check exactly what happened, right? If you notice these entries as well, check those out. Those are amazing entries right there. Literally sniped that top entry. The other one, you know, not so much, but as you can see here, we're already running in profit. If I really wanted to, I can literally close this out now, be up $100 in a quick 5-10 minute scalp, right? But of course, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and hold this down, because I do believe that we should see it hit take profit 1. Remember, we're taking profits along these support lines. So as you can see here, first support line, all right, I marked it with this green indication here, then the second, the third, the fourth, and fifth right here. Boom. So like I said, this is a very simple trade, very simple trading strategy that is literally gonna let you wick. Now, keep in mind that this also could have been a take profit zone right here, because there is a resistance. Resistance is usually support as well. So, you know, there could have been a time where we would have bounced off of that and then continued to the up, you know, to the uptrend. But for the most part, you know, if you just use these strategies, they're super simple, right? This strategy literally is plug and play. And you know, we can look at some other pairs in another video. Of course, I just want to see this hit take profit 1 and see if it hits take profit 2, 3, 4, and see what happens. So I'll be back. We over here live in profits. I'm showing you how to do this on a day-to-day basis using trusted signals indicators. All right, guys, it does not get any better than this. What's going on, guys? So we are back, and right now, if you want to go ahead and take a look at these profits, all right now we're up over $200, and I actually have a closed trade from the same entry. Let me see if we could get this in focus. And that was for $102. All right, so as you guys can see here, we were almost stopped out. All right, we were literally super close, but obviously we still held on to this trade. And this is why I love these indicators, because it gives me the confidence to literally just know that, hey, you're correct, right? And literally, if we wanted to play it safe, we could have moved the stop, of course, a little bit higher. Right now, you can see where the sniper support is making the resistance, and right now we're actually at a buy level. So what I'm actually gonna do live right here is actually close out one of these right here, and it's gonna be for 164. It's actually still falling. Check this out. It's still falling. $167 profit. Boom. And then what I will do is I will move these stops to break even on this other trade, and then allow it to move risk-free. So this is exactly how we trade using the indicators. And right now, as you can tell, after a few hours, now the sniper support resistance is giving us current trades. So guess what? It's at a buy zone right now. Keep in mind that this is another indication of, hey, just get out of the trade, right? And if you have a lot of powerful indicators that are gonna tell you, you know, hey, you should take profits here, you should at least close partials, you're gonna be winning more trades and you're gonna become a more consistent trader. Boom, so that's how you do it. If you wanna go ahead and get trades like this and use these indicators, make sure that you watch this video right here. It is literally a banger. I think I'm gonna put it right here. Boom, 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 boom. Click that. Peace.